everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I have two boxes, from Misfits Market. I ordered a lot of add-ons. So we're gonna get both of these boxes open and find out what's inside. But before I do that, if you are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell icon right next to it so you never miss a video. I do put out at least one unboxing video a week and lots of other health and nutrition content as well. And you definitely don't want to miss anything. And if you're not new here, but for some reason you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and get that out of the way. Let's get these boxes open. Wow. Maybe I shouldn't have piled them on top of each other. Oh, this is cute. Oh my gourd. It's the squash guide and it's called Oh My Gourd. Very cute. It's here to help you enjoy every single squash, how to tell the difference between them, and how to make your most out of each variety. What's this? Coffee Lovers Essentials. We have two baby spinach, and I ordered this because I like to put spinach in my stuffing. I really don't want to go to the grocery store. I really don't. So I just got some spinach from Misfits because it was easier, and it's actually less expensive to get it from Misfits than to get it from the grocery store anyway. So I got two of these to put in my stuffing for Thanksgiving. That was an add-on. Some oyster mushrooms, another add-on. Those also go in my stuffing. Some more mushrooms, also for my stuffing. I like to use a mix of mushrooms in my stuffing. And then we have some baby Bella mushrooms for the stuffing. It's gonna be good stuffing. This is all the stuffing stuff. Some more of those for the stuffing. We got our green beans, very nice looking. And I thought I would try this. This is cobblestone take and bake bread. Ready in the oven in minutes. Now it's not gluten-free. Occasionally I like to eat some things that are not gluten-free. 5 ingredients, no artificial preservatives. So what are the ingredients? Organic wheat flour, water, organic durum flour, sea salt, and organic rosemary. Oh, and this is great. I was wondering about that. So it says it's best by 5/19/21. It's vacuum sealed. So this is good until May 21st, 2021. And I was wondering about that because I thought maybe it wouldn't be, and it wouldn't be shelf stable, but it is shelf stable. So I have bread in the house that I can now just take off the shelf, my pantry behind me, my messy pantry. I can just take off the shelf, put in the oven, and we have some fresh baked bread. That's really nice. Some more mushrooms. They wrapped something. Look at that. It's wrapped nicely. Maybe they heard me. Do you think they heard me? This is matcha tea latte concentrate. And let's see what the ingredients are. Filtered water, organic cane sugar. Not so crazy about that. But it's only 6 grams of added sugar, so that's nice. Organic matcha, which is verified fair labor, organic ginger, organic cinnamon, citric acid, and Himalayan pink sea salt. This product is gluten-free. So this actually isn't terrible. I mean, there's cane sugar in it, but a portion only has 6 grams of sugar added to it, so that's pretty good. And only 35 calories in half a cup. So I'm happy with that. And I love that they took care to wrap it. Thank you, Misfits. Some more green beans. I got this for me. Some sea salt and almond organic dark chocolate. And it's stone ground for bold flavor. Organic cacao beans, organic cane sugar. Not crazy about the cane sugar. This does have 6 grams of added sugar. So again, proportion. And this is 2 servings. So you would eat half of that. And each serving is 200 calories. So it's a little high on the calorie scale. But the sugar content's not bad. And this will keep until July 4th, 2021. So that's good. It's not a short code. Some bok choy. Those look okay. This one looks a little sad, but it's okay. radicchio. Why would they put the heavier stuff on top? One betel and thyme. Oh, my cucumbers are broken. So these are mini seedless. They were supposed to be mini seedless cucumbers, but they're broken because they put the heavier green tea concentrate on top of it. So I'm going to have to write them a love letter. We'll call it a love letter. This one's okay. 3 of them are broken. 4 of them are broken. 4 of them are broken. That's sad. So I have 2 that are not broken, and the rest are broken. It's a little sad. Golden quinoa, pre-washed golden quinoa. Those are the only ingredients in this. It's not organic, non-GMO verified, so that's good. At least it's non-GMO. And I got it because it was less expensive than it even is at Trader Joe's. Some organic red kidney beans. These were 99 cents each, which is a pretty good price. Celery, again, that's for the stuffing. Lemons. These look good. Some Yukon Gold potatoes. Some limes. These look a little discolored, but they're fine. Another radicchio. And some sunflower oil, full flavor, non-GMO, locally produced, expeller pressed. That's what you want to look for. So if you are cooking with sunflower or canola oil, you definitely want to make sure it's expeller pressed and non-GMO, because expeller pressed is a non-chemical pressing, whereas the other way, the usual conventional way, is to use petroleum products. And we don't really want to eat petroleum products. So always look for expeller pressed and non-GMO when you're looking at sunflower or canola oil. Got number 2. Oh, and this, I believe, was only $5.99, and that was a pretty good deal for oil, which is why I bought it. So the same stuff is on the top. Oh, but they also have a recipe in this one. Maybe I'll hold on to that. Another loaf of bread. This one is sourdough. Same thing, 4 simple ingredients, fresh sale packaging. And this one is good also until May. The ingredients are organic wheat flour. What's happening? Wow. Cats. Organic wheat flour, water, sea salt, organic barley malt. So I'll have a couple loaves of bread in the house. That's nice. Some purple broccolini, and I don't know if you can see the purple color, but it's really beautiful. Pea shoots. These look a little sad. What's the expiration date? December 1st. They look a little wilted and sad. Sad pea shoots. We'll have to eat them sooner than later. See, they put the ice pack on top of the right on top of the cranberries. I don't know why they do that. Fresh cranberries, and these are organic, just harvested. They are from Canada. Red onion, another lemon, scallions. I'm so happy to get scallions. All summer, it was so hard to get scallions, which is odd because summer is the time where it should be the easiest to get scallions. Some hydroponic lettuce, organic cilantro, and this looks nice. More organic cilantro, another bunch of scallions, another onion, some more lettuce. Ooh, this one looks nicer than the other one. Nice and puffy. Another onion. This is good. I needed the onions.
Fresh radishes.
Some more lemons. I don't remember ordering walnuts. I'm going to have to check my receipt because I don't think I ordered walnuts. Some Some more lemons. Or are these oranges? More radishes. Some canola oil. This again is expeller pressed, non-GMO, lightly refined. And that's what you want to look for. And this again, this was $5.99 or maybe $4.99. I'll have to check the receipt. But either way, it was significantly less expensive than I would pay at like Trader Joe's. So I saw this, that Misfits had it, and I decided it was a good enough deal. And I don't use that stuff very often, but it's nice to have. I got some sea salt corn nuts. And I actually really love corn nuts. These are non-GMO verified, and I really like that. It's really hard to find kind of snacky foods, which I don't eat a lot, but you know, sort of junk foods that are non-GMO. So when I saw these, they're playing. So when I saw these, I had to get them. And I got 2 of them. More onions. This is good. This means I don't have to go get onions. I'm wondering what the walnuts were supposed to be, though. Some Brussels sprouts. They look nice. They're smaller than the last Brussels sprouts we got from Farm Box, but that's okay. They don't need to be huge. Those were huge. Let me check the receipt because I'm not sure about those walnuts. Okay, so the Madness box were yellow potatoes, lemon, celery, the cucumbers, the mini seedless cucumbers that were broken, radicchio, bok choy, lime, cilantro, Valencia oranges. So maybe these are oranges? I can't tell if they're oranges or lemons. They all kind of, well, that looks more like an orange. Okay. Jumbo yellow onion. I guess that's that. The lettuce, the radishes, the red onions, and the scallions. And then additional, I ordered the spinach, the green beans, the baby bella mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, the red kidney beans, the hen of the woods mushrooms, the matcha tea concentrate, oyster mushrooms, the golden quinoa, the chocolate bar, sunflower oil, the 2 breads, the pea shoots, Brussels sprouts, cranberries, broccolini, the corn nuts. That's what I'm going to call them. I don't know if that's what they are. Lemons, chia seeds. That's what it was supposed to be. I knew I didn't order walnuts. So instead of sending me chia seeds, I got some walnuts. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with this. This is actually a lot of stuff. What do you guys think? Is this a good value for what I paid? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Also, have you tried Misfits Market? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know what your experience has been. And if you have another organic produce company that you'd like me to try out, leave me a comment down below and let me know so that I can give them a try and let you guys know what I think of it. I wish you all a very safe, very healthy Thanksgiving, and I encourage you to celebrate only with the people you live with, your immediate family. If you do decide to go to someone else's house, be safe, wear a mask, stay outside if possible, wash your hands, and keep your distance. And if you need some support over the holidays to help get you through, I have a link to all the freebies that I have on my website down in the description below. You can also go to aimeericca.com/freebies. Check out what I've got there. They're totally free, and there's some great resources like my holiday drink guide and my 1-dish recipe guide. And I've got the 12 days of Fitmas coming up, as well as a 5-day sugar detox. These are completely free. That's all for now. I will see you real soon. Have a very happy Thanksgiving. Bye.